I actually was at Southern Adventist University, decided I wanted to go pre-med route and needed a BS. And so I needed a school that offered engineering, and I heard that UTC had a really good engineering program. Always growing up, I loved playing with Legos. I loved thinking about how things were made. Me and my brothers would actually take things apart just to put it back together. Little things like that kind of led me to it. And now that I'm in engineering, I'm loving the classes that I'm taking. One of the reasons why I actually chose mechanical engineering is because it's so diverse, from the design of heavy machinery all the way down to how things are made in plants. They have their hand in just about everything. In our engineering classes, there's 20 people per classroom. That makes a big difference because now you're able to raise your hand in class and have a more direct conversation. There's not as many rabbit trails in the classroom that you're chasing. You're able to access the teacher better. It really helps a lot. I'd like to give a shout out to Dr. Rising. He's my electrical circuits professor. He's taking really difficult material to learn and makes it very understanding without spoon feeding us. He makes us work for it, so we learn, but he also makes it simple enough to where it's easy to learn. A friend of mine reached out this last semester. He's like, hey, I'm part of this ambassadors at with the CECS. Would you be interested? And I was like, well, what does that entail? So she gave me the what it looks like. I was like, oh, that sounds right up my alley. It's leadership, being there for the student body, more specifically for the engineering students, as a resource that they can use to ask questions, reach out, and we can talk more directly with faculty. We actually do a career fair every semester in which I think it's over 50 employers or more. You get to talk to them, see what their company's all about, and then give them your resume and they can give you a call back and you can go in for interviews. It's a really helpful resource. There's so much networking that is involved in getting a job nowadays, knowing who's out there, what they offer, getting your name out there, and they can pass that on to other employers down the road. And it's a really, really cool resource to be able to work closely with staff members and work on my networking with some of those vendors at the career fair, and work closely with a bunch of my peers and develop new friendships through that.